Hey, how would you like to sell more music, more merch, and get more fans joining your fan club on autopilot or at the click of a button? Well, this is entirely possible with email marketing, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 top strategies that every music artist needs to know when it comes to email marketing. Hey, I'm Reagan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, helping you make better music and grow your fan base online. And today, this video is all about the latter, growing your fan base and actually making an income from your music. So first off, if you don't know, you need to be using email marketing. You need to have an email list. This is more powerful than social media or just about anything else you can have in your marketing arsenal for actually growing real fans who buy from you, right? Creating those super fans, right? That's what we always are talking about here. And you probably heard other people talk about that. The key to making a living from your music is generating those super fans. A super fan is someone that is so in love with you in your music that they'll buy just about everything you put out, whether it's a new CD, whether it's a new t-shirt, and they'll be sure to be the first ones to sign up for your fan club, whether that's on Patreon or Bandcamp or something else. So you want to create those super fans. There are people that spend at least $100 or more a year with you. And so if you get 1,000 super fans, then you can be making a 6-figure income, right? So you want to be building those super fans. And the best way to do that is through email, because you can generate, and create a personal relationship with your fans. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into why you want to have an email list and to be building an email list. I've done a previous video on that, which you can check out up here. I'll also link to it in the description below, and it will walk you through why you need to have an email list as a music artist. All right. That being said, once you have your email list, there's just having a list of emails isn't actually going to generate you income. So if you want to do that, you need to be implementing the 3 strategies that I'm about to cover in this video. So the first email marketing strategy you want to implement is you want to have an automated welcome sequence of emails for everyone that joins your email list. Now, the best way to get people on your email list is to give away a song for free. So you can use your website, or if you don't have a website, you can use a free tool like ConvertKit to create a little, what's called in the marketing world, a landing page or a capture page where you can share it on social media, or you can run ads to it, and people will find this page where they can put in their name or just their email, whatever you want to collect in exchange for that song. And then you can have that tool, have ConvertKit automatically deliver that free song to those people that sign up. But then after that, you're going to want to send out automated emails welcoming them. So every single person who signs up, automatically they're going to be getting the same emails that welcome them to you and your culture. Now, if you want to send out automated emails, you are going to need a paid email marketing software. So you might want to get the paid version of ConvertKit, which is what I use and I recommend. And I can show you how to do this in a future video as well. If you want to know the technical side of all this, how to actually set this up and send these emails, you can check out my other video up here, which does a complete walkthrough of ConvertKit and how to send emails. So then what's the purpose of this welcome sequence? What do you want these emails to include? Well, the idea with this welcome sequence, right? If these are cold people that don't really know you, they just, found your ad or they just heard about you on social media. Now they're deciding to sign up. So you want to help them get to know you, get to know your music, and get to know the broader culture that surrounds your music. So this is where you can help move someone from just a follower to a super fan, because you get them hooked on you, your personality, and your music culture. And so one of the best things you can do is just send them more free songs. And so over the course of, a few days, you want to have all these emails kind of close together, because when someone just signed up, that's when they're the most interested. So you might want to even send, say 5 emails back to back to back over the course of 5 days, and let them know about you, let them know about your music, give them more free songs. So you're kind of surprising them, right? They opted in expecting one thing, but you're delivering a whole lot more. And then by the end of the sequence, you want to make some kind of offer, whether that's to buy your album, whether it's to buy a piece of merch, or whether it's to join your fan club. And so this way, you have an automated selling system in place. So as you get people in signing up for your email list, a certain percentage, maybe it's only 10%, maybe it's only 5%, maybe it's 2%, but a certain percentage of those people are then going to take you up on that offer, and they're going to actually purchase something from you and now you're automating your sales from your music. Now, a second email marketing strategy you want to take advantage of is sending out regular broadcast emails. And so the purpose of these broadcast emails are whatever your current objectives are for your fan base. So for example, are you just looking to continue to nurture and grow that relationship? Are you wanting them to give them updates about upcoming music so they know to be alert? Or are you actually trying to generate sales? Whatever you're going after, that's what these broadcast emails will be for. And they can really be about anything, right? You can send out a life update or your thoughts on current events, or you can be letting them know about your progress towards releasing your next album, or you could even be letting your fans know about a current sale. And with that in mind, there's really kind of like three main categories that you want to cover with your emails. And that is personal, promotional. And those three categories are personal, professional, and promotional. So every email should fall into one of those three buckets. So either you're sharing something personal about you and your life, or it's something professional, meaning it's related to your music, whether you're talking about what you're doing in the studio or your process for writing songs, or you're giving a free demo or a sneak peek. That's kind of the professional side of things. And then finally you have promotional. That's where you're actually promoting merch or music or whatever. Those are the promotional emails. And so you kind of, in general, want an 80-20 split where 80% is personal or professional, and then the other 20% of the time you are sending out promotional emails. Now this will change, right, depending on the time of year. So this can kind of apply to maybe the year as well. So, or by the month, right? So if you're releasing a song, like an album once a year, then you're going to have a whole bunch of promotional emails around the album launch. And the rest of the time, you're kind of nurturing and growing that list. Or if you're releasing every month, maybe most of the time, you're just sending out, more of that personal and professional content. But then when that song actually releases, then you might have several emails that are promotional. But the key is to give value, to be working on growing and nurturing that relationship with your fans, and not just selling and promoting all the time. Which brings me to the third email strategy that you want to focus on, and that is creating an intentional promotional calendar where you are mapping out throughout the year, when are the times I am going to promote, and what emails am I going to send to promote. So sending out promotional emails is very important, and it's something I think a lot of artists are scared to do or neglect doing and don't send out enough promotional emails. So that's the third strategy that you're going to want to do. You want to focus on when are the times that you're going to promote, right? Is it around holiday seasons when there's typical sales? Maybe you'll have a sale for your merch in your shop and you'll want to let people know about that. Or, when are your song releases going to be? So plan in advance. Hey, I need to send out X number of promotional emails during this time so people know to check out my new music. Or are you going to have certain times where you are giving a, limited, time-limited incentive for people to join your fan club, right? Whether that's Patreon or something else, just, having it open-ended where people can join at any time. People tend to put that off, but if you can do some kind of special promotion where, maybe everyone who signs up within a certain time frame gets a certain discount to your merch shop or gets access to exclusive merch or something, whatever it is, maybe you'd want to plan those promotions as well. So you're being intentional with when you are promoting. If you want more help with email marketing for your music, then be sure to click down in the description below to grab my free email marketing playbook, which lists a bunch of different ideas for emails and gives more tips on how you can utilize emails and not only grow your email list, but actually generate sales from the people on your list. And also, if you don't have an email service provider yet, you definitely need one. So go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/ConvertKit so you can sign up with ConvertKit for free. All right, let me know in the comments below, what other questions do you have around growing an email list or email marketing in general, so I can create future content covering those topics. All right, let me know in the comments below, what other questions do you have about email marketing for your music? And if you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. Otherwise, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.